This GLLAVA Electric Razor uses flexible three-dimensional rotary heads that closely follow the curves of the face and neck for a very even, comfortable shave with fewer missed spots. A very fast 10,000 revolutions per minute motor gives it enough cutting power to handle dense or coarse beards without tugging or repeated passes. Its fully sealed waterproof construction allows both dry and wet shaving, so you can use it in the shower or with shaving foam and then rinse it clean under running water. The rechargeable battery supports long cordless runtime, and the quick charge function can provide enough power for a full shave after only a few minutes on the charger. A travel lock and sturdy carrying case make it well suited for tossing into a gym bag or suitcase without worrying about it turning on accidentally or getting damaged. The package also includes a small detailing trimmer and cleaning accessories, giving you an all-in-one grooming setup that is easy to maintain over time.